Hi, Gavin from CSV Getter here. We have an awesome new feature for you on the CSV Getter platform where you can now create WordPress snippets for your WordPress website, which will be powered by the data that you store in Airtable. So what am I talking about? Well, CSV Getter, it's a platform which allows you to connect to your favorite no-code data platforms like Airtable, Notion, and basically create export URLs for your data. So here I've connected to this Airtable base, and as you can see, this is my data in Airtable. I connect CSV Getter. I've got a mirror of my data in CSV Getter, and in here I can select fields which I want to include in a data export. And the CSV Getter platform allows you to build something called an export URL, which is this thing here. And this is going to be a URL that, when used, will deliver your Airtable data in any format of your choosing. And we've now created this comprehensible kind of WordPress library where you can create these custom HTML code blocks that will work in your WordPress site. So let's say with this Airtable data, I kind of want to create a gallery of these designers. I've got a logo for each designer, I've got a bio and a name for each one. So if I head over into CSV Getter, and well, let's say if I just select the name and the logo for now, I can go ahead and start exploring what WordPress snippets are available now. So for example, with the gallery embed, here's the code block that we've generated based on your CSV Getter URL. And if you switch to preview, you can see that we've basically created this little HTML snippets which have the name of each person and the image is being rendered as the background for each snippet. Now if I take this code, I can go ahead and head over to WordPress, put in some custom HTML, paste that code, and if I preview that in WordPress, as you can see, we've got this HTML block which is going to show the data, and the code is just a starting point. If you know a bit of HTML or you're familiar with AI tools that can change HTML for you, you can go ahead and ask the AI tools for the updates needed, but it's definitely a starting place to start rendering stuff in WordPress any way you want. And that's just one example. So we've also got the carousel embed, and as you can see, we have the code written out there, and you can preview the code where basically we can create a carousel using any images detected in your data. We've got, that was the gallery I've already shown you. We've got cards. You can have a look at each person, and you can see that the styling of your WordPress will take over the code here. So if I paste this one in, you can see this is going to be in line with the page styling that we have already. And you can go ahead and tweak these to your liking. And if you want more information in each card, for example, if I would like the bio present in here as well, selecting bio as an output in CSV Getter, it is going to update whatever's coming out of here, because basically the CSV Getter platform allows you to select pretty easily what data is coming out of your URL, and it's the URL which is feeding each HTML snippet here. So this is just one thing you can do with the platform. It's our latest thing in the update. There's also other things, loads of stuff. You can try out this using our open sandbox, which is connected to our data, so you can experiment, play around before signing up to the platform and connecting your own data. And if you have any questions, you can email us at any time at info@csvgetter.com. Okay, thank you very much.